Hello everyone, Chris Campbell here in the shop this evening with a very old and antique pocket watch. This is a fusse pocket watch. On the dial, it has Wallerin, Wallerin, and then below it is A, and then Norperfen. I think it's the way you pronounce it. Anyway, this is a pure, solid silver case pocket watch. It's an extremely large pocket watch and very, very heavy. Pure silver. This watch is actually dated to 1799. So it's a very old vintage pocket watch. And it is a fusse. For those that do not know what a fusse is, it uses an antique like bicycle chain to power the mainspring. The hands have been at one point been replaced. This is the original hand, the hour hand. The minute hand has been replaced at some point with a modernized hand. This came in from a customer. It just needs a service, and they do not have the keys, so I have many bench keys that I use to wind these. And I believe it was this one, yeah. So you would use it to wind it kind of like an old clock. Alright. And then to set it, you would use a button on the end to set it. So right now we're not going to worry about that, but I'm going to show you the movement itself. Look at the detail and the movement. So we have our slow, fast adjustment here that we can adjust. We have the watchmaker's mark here. Just a gorgeous piece. Inside here is the fusse chain on the mainspring. And then we have what is called like a French verge right here. And I don't know if you can see it, but once I give it a wind, the escapement here starts moving. Let me give it, there we go. If you can see it moving. So it is ticking. The customer just basically wants a service and cleaning, preserving it for future use. But this is a gorgeous piece of history. This particular pocket watch has a value of around $18,000. They're very rare and they're extremely collectible. The entire case and bow, the stem is all pure silver. The movement itself is actually made of brass with 24 karat gold gill. The gears are actually 24 karat gold gill. And this is just one awesome piece of history that we're going to be conserving for the owner and doing a complete service. So if you have any antique vintage pocket watches or antique clocks that you would like to have restored, conserved, or if you would like to have them serviced, give us a call at Campbell's Antique Clock and Watch Repair. We are the upstate's #1 clock and watch repair in South Carolina. We have the ability to manufacture gears, arbors, pinions, pivots, hands, dials, glasses, crystals, and do case repair. We are the #1 clock maker and watchmaker in the state of South Carolina. And we get in work from all 50 states and other countries. So come see us today. Hope you have a wonderful evening.